Top finance officials from South Korea, the United States, and Japan have voiced their deep concerns over the continuing decline of the value of the South Korean won and Japanese yen against the dollar. They committed to ongoing dialogue and cooperation to stabilize the currencies and ensure economic growth. Our Shin Se-byuck starts us off.
The finance ministers of South Korea, the United States, and Japan have acknowledged serious concerns regarding the rapid decline in the value of the South Korean won and the Japanese yen against the dollar. Following their first trilateral meeting in Washington on Wednesday, South Korea's Finance Minister Sang-mok, U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, and Japan's Finance Minister Shunichi Suzuki issued a joint statement outlining their commitment to regular consultations on foreign exchange market trends and continued collaboration to promote sustainable economic growth and financial stability. The major concern raised by the three countries focused on the persistent devaluation of the won and yen against the U.S. dollar. The won is currently ranked as the fifth most undervalued currency among OECD countries. According to data released by the Bank for International Settlements on Wednesday, as of February 18th, South Korea's real effective exchange rate stood at 96.7 out of 100, using 2020 as the base year. The REER measures the relative purchasing power of a country's currency compared to other nations. A value above 100 indicates an overvaluation relative to the base year, while below 100 signifies undervaluation. Japan has the lowest index value among the OECD nations at 70.3. This assessment indicates that the strength of the U.S. dollar, coupled with the significant undervaluation of the Japanese currency, directly affects the won. Meanwhile, Bank of Korea Governor Lee Chang-yong acknowledged slight deviation in the won's exchange rate from market fundamentals, but reaffirmed that the authorities are equipped with the necessary tools to stabilize any volatile moves in the national currency. His comments indicating Korea's readiness to intervene in the market to support the won were made during an International Monetary Fund panel session on Wednesday. He is in the U.S. capital for the annual IMF and World Bank meetings, as well as meetings with G20 finance leaders and leading central bankers. Shin Se-byuck, Arirang News.